In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear windshield wiper on your Fiat 500. It's located on the rear window. You're going to start by lifting up this plastic piece. And then you're going to pick your arm up. Now you're going to pull the wiper blade off by focusing on the back and pulling it up and out. Now you're going to see this post here, you're going to slide it into this little notch. Once you do that, you're going to push down. And then you're going to put the arm down and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.